Okay, so it is midnight. I'm wrapping up my day. I spent the night editing for the vlog channel, and I'm watching 90 Day Fiancé while I was setting up these keychains. These are all new keychains and just different possibilities, like samples. I can do a letter and a moon, which I did for Shannon yesterday. I can do star and a moon. I can do any combination really of this. I can do 2 stars, a single star. I can do a single letter. I can do a letter and a star. I can do any combos. I can do a moon by itself. I really am loving my work, and I'm absolutely just really impressed and proud of myself. So I can't wait to share this on the main channel as samples. I wanted to show you some of the bookmarks that I put together, and I made these all last night before I went to bed and left Santa Monica. I am in love. The only thing about this particular blooms is that it is thicker than the mold, so it was my first time trying, but if it doesn't sell, I'm just gonna use it for my journals. But what do you guys think? Look at this, the string of hearts and the Hoya Bella, and just playing around with alcohol inks. I put silver alcohol ink in here with the ferns, different kind of gold leafing, copper leafing, silver leafing, as well as the alcohol inks, the white alcohol inks. I love it. So I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna try to get up in 6 hours and get to the hiking trail head by 7 a.m. to avoid the crowds. But this is what I did tonight while I was watching 90 Day Fiancé after editing. Munchkin is in her bed, but I'm gonna take her out really quickly to go potty, and then I am turning off the lights. So very productive time in the cabin. I really love it, and I can't wait to share with the channel. Good morning to the munchkin who woke me up 5 times throughout my sleep. What am I gonna do with you? You woke me up from 1 to 5:30 in the morning, 5 times. This little girl, what am I gonna do with you? The bed is slightly too high for her, so I have to pick her up to come on the bed. But I was gonna get up at 6, but you got me up at like 5 something with broken sleep. So it is now 7:30, and I'm gonna make your breakfast, and let's try to see if that hiking trail is busy. If it's too busy, then we're gonna cancel that because I don't want to be around crowds. And we're going kayaking at 11 o'clock. Okay, you excited for your day? Baby, are you ready to go? Have a great day today. You look so cute in front of the cabin. Let's go. All right, here we go, Big Bear Lake. Let's see if that trailhead is busy. It is 8:15 a.m. I would have been there an hour ago if Abby didn't break my sleep 5 times. But it's okay. If it's busy, then it's fine. We will just go somewhere by the lake and work out. I just don't want to be around crowds, and I seen yesterday coming in how busy that trail was, and I heard from the guy standing in the queue at lunch saying how busy that trail was because he just went on it. So just want to be safe. Parking area was full, but take a look at this beautiful, gorgeous view. So we're gonna walk alongside this windy road. Abby, are you ready? Come on, let's go. I'm nervous. We have to walk along this windy road and cross the street to get to the trail. Hey, we made it. Let's do this. Hey, okay, Abby. Let's do this. Right, Abby and I made it. Where are you, Abby? There's a lot of smells because this is a dog-friendly trail. In fact, all of Big Bear is dog-friendly. Elevation is super high, so I'm already struggling. And if there's a big crowd up there, I'm gonna put my mask on, but right now it's just me. All right. Whew. Abby, you enjoying the hike? A little I don't know what that is. A chipmunk? A squirrel? It's tiny. Where are you going? The elevation is killing me. There it is. So cute. Abby's a champ. I don't know how people can hike with music. Right, let's go, Abby. This is intense. And the sun's coming up. Perfect morning. Nobody's around. Every now and then I see people, but that's like our little break. Stop on the side and continue going. One of my favorite things to do is just be in nature. Camping, hiking, on the water, it doesn't matter. I like being outdoors. It's been a while since I took Abby on a hike. This is perfect. My little adventure dog. Abby is killing it. Trying to figure out which way the trail goes. I see a little rock tower there, so probably this way. There it is, these little rock tower markers. Going up this way. Woo! Little mountain squirrel, so cute. I think we are almost there. Thumbs up the video for Abby killing the hike. Second water break. We are in the middle of the mountains. It's so gorgeous, peaceful. I'm proud of you, honey. Good job. I'm gonna break by this spot here. It's so quiet and peaceful up here. No view of the lake from here. Abby, I'm so proud of you. You're doing so good. It's 9:30. Abby and I are taking a break. I don't know how long more I have on the trail. But I don't want to be late for 11 o'clock kayaking because that's the time I reserved it for yesterday. So gorgeous and peaceful. Great morning workout too. This gorgeous view going down. So pretty. Woo! Good job. The beginning of the trailhead. Good job, baby. Keep going. You got it. Show it how it's done. All right. Look at my fit girl. My little fit doggy. You got it. This way. This way. Down this way. Good job. All right. Hey, got lost a little bit, but we backtracked and we made it. Yay, so proud of us. And we are gonna go kayaking in 50 minutes. Good job, baby. All right. Good girl. To park along this windy road. I'm having my tour of the morning. I'm gonna go back to the cabin, potty really quickly, and get down to the lake in 45 minutes. We got the rental paid for. I'm just gonna go back to the cabin to potty really quickly, switch out the battery in my camera, eat a snack, and head to the water. Changed into a bikini top and sandals because I don't have slippers with me. And we're ready to go. Come on, Abby! Checking in, back at the same place as yesterday. Cutie, you having fun on the kayak? Look at the ducks, Abby. You see the ducks? Okay, time to paddle again. Abby's doing so good. She loves kayaking. She's such an adventure dog. I'm so happy that at least I got to celebrate my birthday with her for the first time. Abby's having a good time, huh? She's just relaxing. She did so good on the hike this morning. And it's just so nice to be out here. The weather is a lot better this time of day compared to yesterday, but I shouldn't speak too soon. But take a look at this. How fun. I love doing things outdoors and being in nature. Cutie. Everybody's passing us and saying how cute she looks in her little life jacket. Abby, you having fun relaxing on the boat? We had the best 2 hours out on the lake. She did so good. She looks so cute. Yeah, Abby, you love adventure, yeah? You're doing so good today. You having a good time? Cutie? Did you have a good time, baby? You're so smart. Abby, you did so good. I'm so proud of you. Dry off. Silly. Hey, what's up? Hey, you guys call it long johns here. I like that. Yeah. Can I get... Ooh, can I get a maple and a chocolate? And blueberry. And coming in strong. Everything is super close. The donut shop was 2 miles away from the cabin. The village is a mile away from the cabin. Everything is really close. I like the cabin's location. I'm gonna film for the main channel Thursday's check-in outside. So you relax. You did so good today. At the same spot, and I might just order the same thing again. Back at the same place, and I brought Shannon here. And Tristan, I know you're probably watching this vlog, so wish you were here. And cheers to birthday at Big Bear Lake. So Big Bear Lake has a very popular donut shop called Dank Donuts. I got a variety. Some is going to Vegas and some I'm going to be enjoying it. Back at the cabin. Alright. Let's try a donut. I usually like to go to the most popular donut shop wherever I travel. But in my own city, it would have to be a very special occasion for me to go in my neighborhood and go buy a donut, you know? Well-deserved donut. Go 1 mile to the village for dinner. We are back at the same place. I cannot believe it. And I think Shannon approves of the places that I went to yesterday. So, calamari was one dish I wanted to order yesterday. But I felt like it would be too much for one person. But now we can order it today because you're Shannon. Shannon, say hi to the vlog. Hi everyone.
Tomatoes, onions.
Yes. That's good. Thank you. By the way, guys, this bread is so soft and so good. Yay! Thank you. It's perfect.
Let me get that for you.
So we had the bruschetta style pizza. Let's see. Good pick. Yeah. Very good. The basil to tomato. Very good. Yay! Well, what do I do? Good?
Yeah, it's always good.
Yay! Alright, birthday dessert. Whoa.
Love the crunchies. All about the crunchies.
You like the crunchies? I like even distribution of the crunchy and the inside.
True that.